Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello and welcome to the 64th edition of the Shulini TV News Bulletin. I am Dakshita bringing you the news straight from the campus for this week. First, the headlines. Shulini University signs MOU with the University of Arkansas. India Today ranked Shulini University at 18th position in India. Everester Amit Negi inspires Shulinians with his journey. A new set of series Beyond Life introduced. Now the news and details. Shulini University has signed an MOU with the University of Arkansas for the student and faculty exchange program to support mobility and research collaboration. Om has more details.
Shulini University and University of Arkansas, USA have decided to jointly work on students and faculty exchange programs and joint research in area of mutual interest. The agreement will provide partnership between the two universities for at least a period of 4 years. Over the last 5-6 years, Shulini University students have spent stints of over 6 months each in the high-tech labs of the University of Arkansas, and Shulini University has also hosted Dr. Stephenson, a senior Arkansas professor, on a Fulbright fellowship. Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla said this was one of the several partnerships that Shulini University has with leading US universities. The agreement is for the mutual benefit of students and faculty to support their mobility and research collaboration.
Well, that was wonderful news indeed. Moving on, we have Gayatri who will tell us about India Today's latest ranking.
After good rankings given to Shulini University by government and international ranking agencies like the QS and THE, the popular and highly rated news magazine India Today has ranked it 18th in all over category in India's best private universities. The university has moved up 2 notches as compared to the 20th rank given by the same magazine last year. It has also placed the university at the All India rank of 4 for filing patents among all private universities. The university retains its position of top-ranked university in Himachal Pradesh.
That was surely a proud moment for the Shulinians. Now Vedi will take us to the interactive session with the Mount Everest climber and an inspiration to the youth, Amit Negi.
On top of the world and yet connected to the ground. That's how we know our guest of 53rd Yogananda Guru series, Mr. Amit Negi, a brave, self-effacing young mountaineer to climb the Mount Everest recently. He amazed the Shulinians with his experience and stories full of courage and determination. He also shared some glimpses of his early childhood as a mountain boy and training times with Director of E-Education, Dr. Ashu Khosla, who moderated the program. She said Shulinians can expect more such inspiring stories as part of the series.
What an inspiring series it was. Moving on, we have Arzu, who will tell us about the new series Beyond Life.
A new set of series called Beyond Life, in which great achievers would be invited, has been introduced by Shulini University. The series began with the interview of Anjal Thakur, the first and only Indian player who won an international medal in alpine skiing. Anjal hails from Himachal Pradesh and has been given Himachal Gaurav Award and Parshuram Award. She spoke about her struggles and sacrifices. She emphasized that one should not lose hope and keep working towards what makes them feel alive and proud.
Now we have Ayushi who will take us to the 7-day faculty development program. Go ahead, Ayushi.
A 7-day online faculty development program on changing dimensions of crime and criminal justice in India was held in Shulini University. The program was inaugurated by Professor Sanjeev P. Sahni, advisor to VC of Vijayendra Global University, Sonipat. He stressed on the criminal psychology and discussed different traits of a person that pulls the person to the crime. Convener of the program, Professor Nandan Sharma, informed that about 70 academicians from reputed university participated. It was conducted with an objective to delve, deliberate, and to generate awareness amongst teaching professionals.
And now, as a part of our series on life at the Shulini, we have a video of LLB student Shweta, whose video was adjudged the best in a competition held by the university.
Beyond the beauty of external atmosphere of Shulini University, there is a lot to be explored about our campus, and that we get to know about by spending a day in the campus. My name is Shweta, and a student of School of Law, and let me show you how do I spend my day in the campus. It's my regular routine that I come to the temple first just after into the campus, and I think I'm get ready for my classes. Let me check my timetable, and I'm having my class just after 5 minutes. So come, let's go to the class. Let me attend my lecture now, and you just go and have a round of the campus.
Shulini University, founded in 2009, with the aim and vision of to be in top 200 global universities by 2022. We have been ranked among Asia's top universities by QS ranking of 2021. More than 4,000 students, 6 departments, 13 schools, 250 plus full-time faculty. Our campus is green and environment friendly and is a top 25 Swachh campus of country. Highly focused by sprints, placements, foreign exchange, online classes and student examinations. University has India's largest preclinical cancer research center. Along with e-studios in the campus library Yogananda awarded and one of the best in the country. And visitors can stay in our eco village on campus for a resort-like experience. For playing, we have Yuvraj Cricket Stadium, which is inaugurated by Yuvraj Singh himself, open-air theatre for cultural programs and much more.
I had just attended my lecture, and I hope you had also enjoyed the tour of the campus. And now I have 1 hour gap till my another lecture, so I have to complete my assignment. So let's go to the library. You can imagine
How can be the life after being an Shulinian?
Wow, what an amazing and dazzling video it was. Before closing our audition, we have RJ Gayatri, who will now take us to the Radio Shulini show for this week.
Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. I'm here with a list of shows on Radio Shulini this week. First of all, we have Azadi by RJ Rohit, Meri Kalam Se by RJ Om, Rubaru by RJ Ranjana and Healthy Bate by RJ Indu. All these shows are uploaded on My Shulini app. So hurry and go tune into these. And well, that's all for today. Bye bye.
That's all for this week. Thanks for your love and support to our channel. We will be back again next Friday with the next edition. Till then, stay safe.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we